Grow more in less space with Rectangle Garden Grow Bag. 8 Grid Magic for your garden. This 8 Grid Wonder lets you organize plants like a pro. Grow tomatoes here, potatoes there, and flowers everywhere. All you have to do is put the grow bag in a nice sunny location, fill it with compost or potting soil, and then plant your seeds. Each grid keeps roots separate for healthier plants, plus the 128-gallon size means more yield in small spaces. Durable, breathable fabrics prevents overwatering. Place it anywhere, patio, balcony, or backyard. Let me know in the comments below if you've seen this, grown with it in your garden, or what you think about it. After planting or transplanting, watch your garden thrive in weeks. Perfect for beginners and experts. Stop wasting time with messy plots. Start your dream garden today. So this is it. After a couple of weeks, you can see how nice and lush the vegetables are. What do you think about it? Would you like to get one for yourself or for a family member or a friend who loves to garden? If you do, click the link below to grab yours today and have a wonderful garden. If you like the video, smash the like button, leave a comment below, share and follow for more videos like this.